Hey guys, my name's Juliana, and we have this thing. What's it called again?
It's the holiday decorating supplies.
So we are gonna decorate this cool thing. So let's get it open. So it's different, so we get to put the candy in the ornaments. So we get to make a pack. Let's get everything out. Whoa, that's a lot. So here we have my taste tester over there. He's gonna test when I'm done. So, no instructions. So I think you just do it your way. So I think we put all the candy in here. And I think we just put all the candy in a pack. So I eat it. Is funny. So gotta fit all of these in. Okay. Which ones should we do next, Lucas? Those? Okay. Since we got all of those in. Oh, open this up and put these in. Whoa! Let's get the box out of the way. And we're gonna break these apart. And which one's your favorite, Lucas?
Blue.
The blue one? So you're gonna try the blue one for me? Ooh, there's one blue. And that's a Christmas tree. Oh, I didn't see they're decorated. The blue one's a Christmas tree. I think all of them are Christmas trees. I'm not sure. I really thought there was going to be ornaments in here. Oh, there's two blues. That's good. He loves blue. Okay, now we got all of those in. Which one should we? Now it's my turn to pick.
That one.
I think we'll put in the nerds next. Well, let's see. One pack of nerds. There's a lot of packs. Let's do these instead. Oh. Now remember, guys, when you do this, have a grown-up to help. These are hard to get opened. Whoa! Well, that was easy. Which one do you think we should do next, Lucas?
That one.
These?
Yeah.
Cut the top off, and let's pour it in. Now that it's poured in, I'm gonna choose these next. Gummy worms.
And there's blue in it.
Yes.
Cause I love blue.
Might try blue. I think I did backwards.
I love bird. Hey, Juliana. Juliana.
Yes.
I love bird.
Just burped.
Yeah.
So my brother Lucas, taste tester, just burped. He is 3 years old, but he is hungry to test this. And so am I, so let's get the nerds opened.
Yum.
I tried to once. I even tried. Oh! These are different nerds. They're Christmas nerds that have red, white, and green in it. See? I thought they were just going to be pink or purple. I was going to think they were red. Woo! Let's take that up down there. Now. Woo! Okay, that is low. That's why you need 4 packs.
4 packs.
4.
4 packs. 4 packs. 3 packs.
We just got 2 done. Oh, so there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 extra times. Whoa! Some are spilling out. I don't know how we'll make it to the top. Oh no.
There's some right there.
In the last 2 packs. Oh, you're right. No taste testing them yet. And then more. Yes. And now we're on to our very last pack. Whoa! It just fell. Oh, some got in the gummy worms. Get those nerds out of the gummy worms. Can't be mixed together.
Dummy man.
Yeah, gummy worms. Then we'll get to taste test them. My little taste tester. Now we have to get all the nerds out. Then put them back. Whoa!
Bah.
Look, a peppermint just dropped.
A peppermint. That's what.
Yep, a peppermint literally just dropped. Okay, let's get all of these out.
Why?
So we can get the nerds back in.
Why?
So we can get the nerds back in.
Hurry, the orange punja
Now,
out.
we're going to put all of them back in. Thank you. They look yummy taste.
One.
Now that we got all of them in, I am going to throw the trash away, put it over here.